Hi.
Take a bite. Now look up.
It is so weird. And the chef has to explain the ingredients.
I don't know what the ingredients are.
Are there pickles in it?
Mm-hmm.
Is there spaghetti in it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it delicious?
Mm-mm.
Can I try some?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Open.
Thank you, Daddy.
I don't think so.
Who was it?
Camera. Camera.
Camera?
Camera right there.
Oh, Daddy with a camera.
Scaring me. So really, see, now it's locked in place, okay? So really, you say,
Oh God, Harold, are you okay?
actually I didn't have it locked.
This is the star that our sister-in-law Stephanie Boyer painted for us back in 2011 for our home. It's pretty awesome though. Hit her up. Maybe she'll paint one for you. Gonna put it up. Would you look at that? I mean, just look at it. Would you look at that?
So when
Yeah.
Just look at it.
Would you look at this?
Yeah, well.
Would you look at that?
Yeah, there's a few.
Drywall is always fun, but it's getting done. As you can see, I have my quarantine zone.